Alright, we're rolling, baby.
That was a first for me right there now.
Look at this. He's got a, I would say, a 4-pound fish in him. In his mouth. Every bit of it.
Look at that.
Unbelievable. Pull that out, Big Daddy.
I can't.
You can't. Unbelievable. Look at that.
Holy crap. He's still alive.
Yep. Wow. That's awesome. Help him get that thing in the boat.
Look at that. Look at that.
Flashlight.
Unbelievable.
Wait a minute. Give me, where's it at? Flashlight.
What's that?
That's the biggest blue I've ever shot.
Is that the biggest one you ever shot?
Biggest blue I've ever shot.
Unbelievable. Glad to be a part of this.
We were just talking about, well, I'll have to wake it up. Look at this. Wow. That is unbelievable. All right, keep him right there and I'll get a couple pictures.